Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 Oster products. Oster produces a variety of products which include animal care products, beauty products, kitchen appliances, and more. All of which can help creative chefs turn any meal into an artistic expression with a range of functional and stylish products. For a long time now, the Oster name has been considered top shelf when it comes to small kitchen appliances, and it's not really a surprise as they manufacture cutting-edge and best bang-for-your-buck items. In this video, we will take a look at the top 10 popular Oster kitchen appliance models that you may want to add to your cart. The team at trustedshopify.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the Oster products that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshopify.com for more of a research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first Oster product on the list is the Oster Pro 1200 blender. This Oster Pro 1200 blender plus food processor has a powerful 1200-watt motor that consistently crushes ice, pulverizes grains, and turns frozen fruit into sorbet. There's even a 24-ounce smoothie cup that comes with it, so you can take your drink on the go. People love how easy it is to store in the cabinets with a dimension of 7.25 by 8 by 14.25 inches. It's worth noting how good the blender is for such a relatively low price. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the Oster Pro 1200 blender a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Borosilicate glass jar. Its borosilicate glass can handle both extreme heat and cold. In addition to being extremely durable, the 6-cup Boroglass glass jar of this blender is dishwasher safe. Smart settings technology. The blender and food chopper feature smart settings technology in 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for one-touch salsas, milkshakes, and smoothies, plus a pulse for added control and precision. Dual direction. The dual direction blade technology blends in forward and reverses, allowing materials to flow down into the blade more easily for quicker and smoother results. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, while it can crush ice easily enough, it isn't powerful enough to replace an actual food processor. The second Oster product on the list is the Oster Portable Blender. The Oster My Blend is a personal blender that's sleek and stylish that you can easily carry around with a dimension of 6.9 by 6.7 by 14.9 inches. You can keep it at home or take it with you for a smoothie when you're traveling. Its 250-watt motor is powerful enough to crush ice, but don't expect too much. After all, it's only a personal blender. Additionally, this blender is BPA-free, so you won't have to worry about toxins seeping into your smoothie. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the Oster Portable Blender a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Highly convenient. This portable blender allows you to blend your smoothie directly into the sports bottle, so you'll have less mess and less to clean up. Easy to clean. The Oster Portable Blender has a dishwasher-safe jar and a stainless steel blade making cleanup a breeze. Highly portable. This 1-pound blender is an individual-sized blender and sports bottle in one that's designed to fit your active, fast-paced lifestyle. Plus, the drinking lid has a carry hook that makes it easy to take with you as you carry it out your day. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the bottle is narrow, so if you're blending for multiple people, you will obviously need to use something bigger. The third Oster product on the list is the Oster Convection Oven. As the Oster flagship model, the 6-slice Oster oven has everything most people need in a high-quality countertop convection toaster oven. Like other Oster products, this well-designed stainless steel countertop oven is top quality and does exactly what Oster says it'll do. It has a slick, durable design, a reasonably large size at 11.33 by 19.72 by 16.29 inches, and features intuitive navigation. Best of all, it comes with the latest convection technology from Oster. TrustedShopify.com has awarded the Oster Convection Oven a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. One-touch operation. The intuitive digital control panel makes operating it as simple as possible. You just have to select from several options including convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, and warm, and change the time and temperature with a single touch. Large interior capacity. You can use this countertop oven as a second oven because of its large interior. With 2 rack configurations, it can accommodate a wide range of dishes, from thin pizzas to thick roasts. Highly convenient. The interior features a light so you can monitor cooking progress, and the 90-minute timer automatically shuts off the oven so you can cook worry-free. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, this oven gets quite hot and needs a lot of room for air circulation, so make sure there's plenty of space around it. The fourth Oster product on the list is the Oster Toaster. The Oster 2-slice toaster has been a staple in many households for years, and is still a top pick today. It's the most affordable option on the market, and it's packed with updated features including a wider slot, a removable crumb tray, and the ability to custom set the toasting time. These updates make it easier to toast bread, bagels, and even frozen waffles with the same consistent result. As with all the other Oster models, this 11.73 by 8.07 by 8.54-inch model is a breeze to use and clean. In addition, it has an intuitive interface and comes with a cord for easy storage. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Toaster a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: extra wide slots. This Oster Toaster is designed with extra wide slots that can accommodate a variety of bread from thin sliced bread to bagels. Frozen setting. The frozen setting on this Oster Toaster makes it simple to defrost bread before toasting it. Consistent toasting. For starters, the unit has been fitted with the advanced toast technology and an auto-adjusting bread guide. These two are coupled together to ensure consistency and even toasting every single time. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the lever needs to be firmly pressed down for the platform to lock into the toasting position. The fifth Oster product on the list is the Oster Waffle Maker. For someone who wants to upgrade their waffle making by a large margin, this Belgian waffle maker from Oster is a great choice. It easily creates large, round waffles with deep pockets that hold plenty of toppings and syrup. In terms of size, it measures 4 by 10 by 8 inches and weighs 3.23 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Waffle Maker a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: indicator lights. This waffle maker features an indicator light that clearly displays when the power is on and whether it's ready to bake. Temperature dial. The Oster Waffle Maker allows you to adjust the heat with a simple twist so you can make your waffles as fluffy or crispy as you please. Highly durable. The stainless steel housing on this Belgian waffle iron ensures years of trouble-free service. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the plates are irremovable, making this appliance quite difficult to clean. But wiping it with a damp paper towel before cooling it down works pretty well. The sixth Oster product on the list is the Oster Food Steamer. The Oster 5-quart double-tiered food steamer combines countertop convenience with healthy options for delicious and nutritious home-cooked meals. It's designed with 2 separate steaming bowls to prepare a complete meal quickly and easily. It measures 8.4 by 8.4 by 8.8 inches and features simple, mistake-proof controls to make meal prep easy and steam foods with tasty results. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Food Steamer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: automatic timer. You can set the cooking time to up to 60 minutes, and when the cycle is complete or the water tank is empty, the appliance will automatically shut itself off. Dual steaming. The Oster Food Steamer allows you to cook food separately but simultaneously for a complete meal that's ready altogether. Compact storage. The bowls nest for convenience and easy storage in even the smallest of kitchens. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is be careful to watch the time, as when the timer finishes, there is no bell or indication that it's finished. The seventh Oster product on our list is the Oster Electric Wok. The Oster Electric Wok cooking surface is reinforced and infused with diamond particles that form a structural matrix, creating a stronger coating for superior nonstick performance over time, so food ends up on your plate and not stuck to the pan. Measuring 15 by 14.88 by 6.73 inches, it offers a large 4.7 quart capacity, perfect for creating a variety of meals, from stir-fries to mussels to burgers and more. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Electric Wok a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: tempered glass lid. The electric wok pan includes a top rack, dishwasher-safe tempered glass lid so you can check your food while it's cooking, cool touch handles. The handles on the side of the wok ensure that it may be carried about the kitchen without risk of injury. Removable temperature probe. With a temperature probe, you can quickly check and adjust the temperature for cooking a variety of foods. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it consumes a large space but looks nice on the counter. The eighth Oster product on our list is the Oster Food Processor. The Oster Total Prep 10 Cup Food Processor makes it easy for you to prepare any meal with confidence. Using this processor, you can reinvent what you already cook and enjoy new recipes you hadn't dared try before. It also comes with a 500-watt motor, a dishwasher-safe BPA-free work bowl, and 3 attachments. In addition to the universal S-blade, it has a stainless steel reversible disc for slicing and shredding, and a plastic blade for kneading. Size-wise, you can put it anywhere on your countertop without taking up too much space, as it only measures 8.7 by 9.4 by 16.4 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster food processor a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Multiple speeds. Oster food processor comes with 2 speed settings, giving you complete control over the food being processed, and a pulse control that lets you ensure the food is not overprocessed. Wide-mouthed chute. The 5-inch wide continuous feed chute makes it easy to process large fruits and vegetables with minimal prep work. Dough blade. The painstaking task of hand kneading is eliminated with the Oster food processor, allowing you to make great homemade bread, pizza crust, and cookie dough. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit loud when operating, but it's only normal for kitchen appliances like this. The 9th Oster product on the list is the Oster Digital Air Fryer. The interior cooking surface of the air fryer is strengthened and infused with diamond particles for a structural matrix and a more durable coating for great non-stick performance for a much longer period than normal. It has a 5-quart extra-large capacity and is great for any meals or snacks you wish to prepare for yourself or your family. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Digital Air Fryer a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Less oil requirement. It consumes 99.5% less oil than deep fryers. Although it requires no or less oil, it doesn't compromise the quality of the food that it makes. Easy to clean. Cleaning this up is the most amazing thing to do. You can easily remove the basket and clean it accordingly, or you can just put it in a dishwasher. 8 presets. This multifunctional air fryer is easy to operate with the 8 preset functions on its digital touchscreen that include chicken, fish, fries, bacon, shrimp, steak, baked goods, and dehydrate. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the unit itself is large but still aesthetically pleasing on the kitchen countertop. The 10th Oster product on the list is the Oster Wine Bottle Opener. This cordless electric opener from Oster boasts reliable performance and an approachable price point, making it ideal for those who want to get the job done quickly without breaking the bank. If this sounds anything at all like your recipient, then you can never go wrong with gifting them this wine opener on their special day. In terms of size, it measures 5.51 by 14.96 by 5.35 inches and weighs 1 pound. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Oster Wine Bottle Opener a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Ergonomic design. This wine bottle opener has a soft grip handle that fits easily in your palm so you can use it comfortably. Foil cutter. Removing seals is a cinch with Oster's wine bottle opener as it comes with a foil cutter. Energy efficient. The Oster wine bottle opener can handle up to 30 bottles per charge and is compatible with both natural and synthetic corks. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the foil cutter feels a bit flimsy but functions well. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 Oster products which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next Oster product roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchen great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.